Good morning, everyone. My name is Anthony Rodriguez, and I'm here today to introduce SmartBudget, your personal finance manager. This project was developed as part of CIT 457 IT Project Lifecycle 1. The core idea behind SmartBudget is simple. Financial tracking should not be a second full-time job. SmartBudget is a responsive, web-based application designed to streamline personal finance management through visualization and habit formation. We provide a centralized dashboard to track finances. By reducing the friction of logging expenses and providing instant visual feedback through our charts and insights, users can stay under budget and achieve savings goals much faster than manual tracking. Here we'll take a brief look at our dashboard. From this view, you can already tell what your total balance is, as well as your total income, your total expenses, your budget for the month, and your own savings progress. Our analysis showed that manual budgeting, such as spreadsheets or pen and paper, is error-prone, tedious, and lacks real-time insights. This is the problem. The consequence is clear. Users lose motivation, overspend due to lack of visibility, and ultimately fail to reach their savings goals. We built a system that actively combats this failure state, turning tracking from a chore into a successful habit. SmartBudget delivers the solution, a centralized dashboard that provides a snapshot of financial health in seconds. Crucially, SmartBudget enforces intentionality and financial clarity. While we use manual entry, this is a feature, not a flaw. It forces the user to mentally process every transaction, building superior financial awareness and healthier long-term money habits. Our core capabilities are designed to support this habit formation. We have implemented a monthly budget reset. This automatically resets on the first of the month, providing immediate clarity on the new spending cycle. We have our dynamic data visualization through our charts and insights, where users receive instant feedback from their transactions. And finally, we incorporated data hygiene. We use a 90-day historical archiving for data hygiene, keeping the app fast and relevant. Our primary market consists of young professionals and university students. This group is tech savvy, budget conscious, and needs quick, mobile responsive tools. Our secondary market includes small families and household managers who need to track categorical spending like groceries and utilities to manage household cash flow. Some of you, like myself, belong to both. Meet our buddy, Alex the analyst. Alex wants to save for a house down payment, but struggles with data entry. He needs control, not complicated automation that he'll eventually forget about. The benefit to Alex. Because he must manually enter his expenses, he is forced to recognize his overspending on things such as dining out. The system-specific feature allows him to see he is over budget instantly, prompting him to change his behavior, directly contributing to his savings goal. This intentional, controlled process provides trust and powerful habit building. Next, let's look at the built product. I'll walk you through the core experience. So here's our login/signup page, where you can create an account or just log in for future use. Here we'll log in for simplicity. So here's a look at our dashboard again. So you can see your quick overviews and then the different pages through the cores at the top, such as expenses, insights, and then settings. Here we'll add a transaction, so you can see this total balance of $10,804 will update as soon as we click Add Transaction down at the bottom. The system logs the transaction and immediately updates the state via our Firestore listeners. As you see, that's now 10,503.50 cents. So down below, you'll see your 5 most recent transactions. Next, we'll go into the expenses page where you can see the expense list for the last 90 days. Up here at the top, delete 2 old transactions. Those are your transactions that are older than 90 days that you can prune quickly, which keeps the application light and fast. Next, we'll get into our budgets and charts. So we'll click on our Insights card here at the top. You have your budgets at the top, and then you have your 2 main categories or charts, spending by category and budget versus actual. There's another one down below, which we'll get to later. We're going to quickly add in a transaction so you can see the charts update in real time. Navigate back and you'll see the budgets here, which also have progress bars so you can quickly see where you're at. Has updated. Our spending by category has a new slice, and the budget versus spent is updated as well. Up at the top, you have our alerts, which you can quickly clear. To showcase the alerts, we'll add another transactions to trigger a few of those. You'll see the alerts popped up as soon as you hit add transaction. So you have 2, budget exceeded, and then the large purchase warning. These alerts are configurable to where you can set different thresholds, which you'll find is a unique feature to SmartBudget. Next, we'll get into our settings page. First, we have a couple options here to change your name and then to adjust your savings goal. So I'm going to hit Save Settings, and then we'll navigate to our dashboard page. And you'll see that the name updated immediately, as well as your savings goal. Moving back, you can update your password if you decide to make your account feel more secure. And then finally, we have an option to delete your account permanently if you do decide to stop utilizing SmartBudget. It will delete all your transactions and data associated with it. So you can at least have the peace of mind knowing that your data is safe and erased. Next, we'll move into the financial analysis. The financial case for SmartBudget is strong due to its lean implementation. Development costs are low, leveraging expertise in React and Firebase. But the real win is in maintenance. A serverless architecture through Firebase Firestore is used, which means minimal operational overhead. There's no need to manage servers, SSL, or manual scaling. This keeps the monthly running costs incredibly low. Just the cost of hosting static files and the Firebase database usage. This low operational cost translates directly into a high potential profit margin, offering excellent return on investment if a freemium or premium feature monetization model is pursued in the future. SmartBudget is structured for expansion. The current codebase represents the must-have requirements. The minimal viable project with core functionality like monthly budget reset and transaction management. A future roadmap prioritized using Moscow focuses on user adoption and feature completeness. So the should-haves, such as data export features and UI features like dark mode, are going to be implemented soon. We also have our could-haves. We would like to integrate financial tips that are available through strategic interactions within the SmartBudget UI, and a financial literature library just for your convenience. The current final design specification is ready for immediate deployment and further scaling. In conclusion, SmartBudget transforms the cumbersome process of personal finance into a simple, insightful, and effective experience. By successfully implementing core financial logic and ensuring persistence and data integrity, A powerful foundation has been established. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any feedback or comments, please reach out to me via the email listed below. Again, thank you very much.